Hi, I'm Pete from Joinery, and my company builds kitchens. So everything from the design stage through colour coordination, specification and project management, all the way to the end product, which is a happy kitchen customer. Cabinets Online build my cabinets for me and have done for the best part of 8 years. I used to work for a company as an in-house designer when I first met Cabinets Online, and I've seen their business evolve the same way as my business has evolved over the last few years. I was first introduced to Cabinets Online system when I was an in-house designer with Barry's back in about 2005, and I was so impressed with how easy it was to use. Cameron gave me some tuition, probably about half an hour's worth. It was the bare basics. This is how you draw a kitchen. What we've also got, what the system also provides, is a quoting component that goes with the drawing component. So the first thing from the customer's point of view is that you can draw a 3D image of a kitchen and view it from many different angles, but also generate a price that goes with that. So having those components working together really helps me with the end user, with my customers, because I can give them options if they want to turn a two-door cupboard into drawers, or if they want to increase the width or the depth or the height, and things like door finishes, from a very basic door finish all the way through to two-pack. I can provide options for them very quickly, and I can do it at 11 o'clock at night. You know, I don't need to talk to somebody on the phone in another part of the company. So long as I've got an internet connection, I can take this anywhere, and I can generate quotes quite quickly. I can generate drawings quite quickly. So ease of use is hands down the best that I've seen, and I've seen some programs over the years. One of the immediate advantages with the system was that everything was priced to the millimetre. So if we changed the width of a cupboard or the height or any of its dimensions, or if we changed the particular hinges or drawer runners in the cupboard, the system would factor that into the quote so that we could produce a real-time quote. I've seen Cabinets Online evolve over the years. I've seen their team grow, and I can still pick up the phone and talk to either of the bosses or a specific team member to solve a problem or get some clarification on something. Often Cameron will pick up the phone and I can bounce some ideas past him, more in a technical sense, in terms of materials used or hardware used and so forth. If he can't answer the question, he'll generally help and point me in the right direction. Kevin as well, he's been fantastic with coming up with alternatives if I've incorporated a particular cabinet into a design. Kevin might come up with a suggestion and say, well look, I think it would work better this way, how about we can do this and that, and again in real time. He can be looking at what I'm looking at on the computer screen. We can be miles and miles apart, come up with a solution.